How artificial intelligence is changing surveillance. For decades, human eyes and instincts guided reconnaissance. But today, those eyes are digital, trained on data, not just skies. Welcome to the new era of AI-powered ISR, where algorithms analyze satellite feeds, radar sweeps, and drone footage faster than any human team ever could. In modern battlefields, AI identifies hidden patterns. A missile convoy under camouflage, a heat signature deep in fog, a ship turning off its transponder in the open sea. It's powerful, but risky. Machines don't understand context, so one wrong classification can mislead commanders. Human judgment still matters, especially in decisions that can change lives. Yet, when human expertise meets AI precision, the results are revolutionary. Faster response times, real-time threat detection, smarter resource deployment. From Ukraine to the Pacific, artificial intelligence isn't replacing analysts, it's amplifying them. The world of reconnaissance has evolved, and the next frontier won't just be who sees first, but who interprets best. If you enjoyed this insight into the future of ISR, please like, share, and subscribe. It truly helps us grow. And as always, keep looking up.